Hi, today we'll be learning about extend. First, we're using a class from our last video. Now we're adding our own. Let's call this class extended class. Extend new class. Let's type in here sys public static public void example 1 system.out.println printing from parent class. Here, let's type in public void x2 system.out.println printing from extended class. Here, let's construct our extended class. Extended class extended equals new extended class. Okay. Let's run this program. And hold on. 0 has been printed out. Now, the reason why 0 has been printed out is because the new class here, when extended class gets constructed, it automatically construct the new class with it. And since the new class has a default constructor that says print this default, let's run this program. Since it has a default constructor, the constructor automatically calls the new class. And the reason why it's able to call it is because extended class extends the new class. This is an extended class of the new class. Let's type in here extended. Extended dot x2. Here, extended dot x2 just printed out printing from extended class. But extended class can also print out from the parent class to which it extends. For example, x1 here can be printed out. So because of the extend, we're able to use methods from the extend class, the class we're extending, or the class that you are improving on. And this is if we're extend and Remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.